My name is Roger Berry. I'm the CEO of a company called Sudoc. We are commercializing a remarkable nature-inspired patented chemistry called TAML. One example is in using this chemistry in commercial laundry. We're able to save energy by 60%, water savings of 50%, and reducing chemical usage by nearly a third. We can do this because our chemistry replaces the need for heat to make chemical reactions stronger. And by cutting cycle times, we save water. If you're staying in a hotel room tonight, you're going to use 25 gallons of water just to wash the sheets and linens in that room, many of which are only used once. It's a terrible waste. That's 10,000 gallons of water a year. Over the US market, with over 5,000 hotels and a 65% occupancy rate, that's 30 billion gallons of water heated to 140 degrees just to get those towels and linens clean. By reducing those temperatures from 140 to 90, that's where we can save 85 million tons of carbon emissions a year and 26 billion gallons of water. It's a company and a mission that we're very proud of. Check us out, sudoc.com. Thank you.